Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In the intricate dance of attraction, many men stumble, blinded by conventional wisdom that prioritizes superficial qualities. They chase, they compliment, they perform, yet they often find themselves met with indifference. The truth, however, lies in a deeper understanding of human psychology. Women aren't merely seeking someone who wants them. They're drawn to those who fulfill a profound need. This isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about recognizing the inherent emotional voids that drive human connection. We're talking about the subtle yet powerful forces that shape attraction, the unspoken desires that lie beneath the surface. Imagine unlocking the secret to not just sparking interest, but creating a deep, visceral connection that resonates on an emotional level. This isn't about conforming to societal expectations or adhering to outdated dating rules. It's about understanding the fundamental psychological principles that govern human attraction. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the depths of desire, exploring the 4 key emotional needs that women crave and how you can become the man who fulfills them. We'll delve into the intricacies of validation, the thrill of excitement, the serenity of escape, and the allure of challenge, uncovering the subtle art of becoming emotionally irreplaceable. Are you ready to transcend the superficial and forge connections that are both profound and enduring? Let's unravel the secrets of attraction and learn how to become the man who truly resonates with a woman's deepest emotional needs. Number 1. Validation. Validation, a fundamental human desire, plays a particularly potent role in the dynamics of attraction. However, the conventional approach of showering a woman with constant praise often backfires, diminishing the value of those compliments and creating an impression of neediness. The psychology of intermittent reinforcement offers a more nuanced and effective strategy. Imagine a gambler drawn to the unpredictable rewards of a slot machine. The anticipation and uncertainty heighten the pleasure of each win. Similarly, when validation is delivered sporadically, interspersed with moments of playful teasing or gentle indifference, it becomes a coveted prize, a source of intense emotional satisfaction. The release of dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical, is amplified when the reward is unpredictable, creating a powerful emotional addiction. This isn't about being cruel or manipulative. It's about understanding the delicate balance between affirmation and challenge. By mastering the art of delivering validation strategically, you become a source of emotional stimulation, someone whose approval is genuinely valued. It's about cultivating an aura of self-assuredness, where your words carry weight and your attention is a sought-after commodity. This approach fosters a sense of intrigue and anticipation, making her crave your approval and seek your attention. It's about becoming the man whose words resonate, whose validation is a reward, and whose presence is a source of genuine emotional satisfaction. Number 2. Excitement. In a world often defined by routine and predictability, excitement becomes a rare and precious commodity, a breath of fresh air amidst the monotony of daily life. Women, like all humans, are drawn to experiences that ignite their senses, that break the patterns of their lives. Creating moments of surprise, intrigue, and emotional intensity can be the key to unlocking deep attraction. This isn't about staging grand gestures or orchestrating elaborate displays. It's about injecting spontaneity and unpredictability into your interactions. Tease her with playful banter, challenge her with thought-provoking conversations, and surprise her with unexpected adventures. The goal is to become the architect of her emotional highs, a source of exhilarating experiences that she can't find elsewhere. Remember, women don't become addicted to men. They become addicted to the emotional experiences men provide. By mastering the art of emotional stimulation, you create a unique and irreplaceable bond. This involves understanding her desires, anticipating her needs, and crafting moments that resonate with her on a visceral level. It's about becoming the man who makes her feel alive, who breaks the monotony, and who creates memories that linger long after the moment has passed. This approach fosters a sense of adventure and anticipation, making her eager to explore the possibilities that lie within your presence. It's about becoming the man who ignites her passion, who sparks her curiosity, and who fills her life with unforgettable moments. Number 3. Escape. The relentless pressures of modern life, work, responsibilities, and societal expectations can create a sense of overwhelming stress and anxiety. Being a source of escape from these burdens can create an incredibly powerful and enduring connection. Think of a vacation. It's a temporary reprieve from stress, a chance to recharge and rejuvenate. Becoming that emotional sanctuary for a woman means providing a space where she can let go of her worries and find peace. This isn't about fixing her problems or offering unsolicited advice. It's about being a calming presence, a refuge from the chaos of her daily life. Listen to her with empathy, offer genuine support, and create moments of tranquility. Be the man who allows her to breathe, to feel safe, and to find solace in your presence. By associating you with relief and relaxation, she'll begin to see you as an essential part of her emotional well-being. This involves creating an atmosphere of trust and understanding, where she feels comfortable sharing her vulnerabilities and seeking your comfort. It's about becoming the man who provides a safe haven, a place where she can find peace and escape the pressures of the world. This approach fosters a sense of security and trust, making her feel valued and understood. It's about becoming the man who offers respite, who provides comfort, and who becomes her emotional anchor in a chaotic world. Number 4. Challenge. The scarcity principle, a fundamental concept in psychology, dictates that what is difficult to obtain is valued more highly. In the context of attraction, this means that men who are easily accessible are often overlooked, while those who present a challenge are perceived as more desirable. Women are naturally drawn to men who possess an aura of self-assuredness and independence, who aren't afraid to set boundaries and maintain their individuality. This isn't about playing hard to get or engaging in manipulative tactics. It's about projecting an aura of confidence and self-respect. Don't be another face in her DMs or another person vying for her attention. Be the man who makes her work for your approval, who challenges her intellectually and emotionally, and who inspires her to rise to the occasion. By doing so, you elevate your perceived value and create a sense of intrigue and mystery. This involves cultivating an air of confidence, where your presence is valued and your attention is earned. It's about becoming the man who is a worthy pursuit, who ignites her competitive spirit, and who is not easily won. This approach fosters a sense of excitement and anticipation, making her eager to prove herself and earn your respect. It's about becoming the man who inspires her, who challenges her, and who makes her feel like she's achieved something truly valuable. How to identify her void. Understanding a woman's emotional void requires keen observation, active listening, and a genuine desire to connect on a deeper level. Pay attention to her complaints, her desires, and her patterns of behavior. Does she often express boredom with her social life? She might crave excitement. Is she constantly seeking reassurance? She likely needs validation. Does she seem overwhelmed by her responsibilities? She may need an escape. Does she dismiss men who are overly eager? She might be looking for a challenge. Once you've identified her primary emotional need, focus on becoming the man who can fulfill it. This isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about empathy, understanding, and genuine connection. Tailor your interactions to address her specific needs, becoming a source of genuine fulfillment. This involves creating an atmosphere of trust and understanding, where she feels comfortable sharing her vulnerabilities and seeking your comfort. It's about becoming the man who truly sees her, who understands her needs, and who provides what she's been missing. By becoming attuned to her emotional landscape, you can create a connection that goes beyond superficial attraction, forging a bond built on genuine understanding and mutual satisfaction. This involves cultivating an air of authenticity, where your actions align with your words and your intentions are genuine. It's about becoming the man who resonates with her on a deeper level, who understands her needs, and who provides the emotional fulfillment she seeks. Remember, attraction isn't about being perfect, it's about being uniquely valuable. By understanding and fulfilling a woman's emotional needs, you can create a connection that transcends fleeting interest, fostering deep, lasting attraction. This isn't about playing games or manipulation. It's about genuine connection and understanding. The line between desire and obsession is indeed thin, so use this knowledge wisely and ethically. Focus on building genuine connections and you'll find that women aren't just drawn to you, they're genuinely connected. If you found this information insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on the psychology of attraction. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation and explore the intricacies of human connection together. Remember, genuine connection is built on understanding, empathy, and respect. It's about becoming the man who resonates with a woman on a deeper level, who understands her needs, and who provides the emotional fulfillment she seeks. Let's strive to build connections that are both meaningful and enduring.